Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zips, and welcome back to Wildfrost. The lose streak is coming to an end today. I swear on it. It is gonna happen. Yeah, that's all I really got. That's all I really got right now. If you guys are excited for some more Wildfrost, make sure to like and or comment and or subscribe. Now, the important thing about today's episode, first off, we're playing Clunk Masters, but that's not the important part. The important part is that I'm not recording this at like 12 in the morning, to where I'm like tired as shit. I'm recording this at 1:20 p.m. So midday, so I should be playing a lot better. Also, this is a good leader. I will take it. I will call you. So I've recently started watching the Scott Pilgrim show. It has really good animation. So I think I'm gonna name this character. I mean, it's not really a. Eh, I'm gonna name this character Ramona. Even. And I will play with. Yeah, it's been a while since I played with Spike. Sure, let's do it. Let's do Spee. Oh, and it's Pangoons with Spike. You'll love to see it. I love it. I don't love this Pangoon. I should just kill this Pangoon now. Get yourself down a Snoof. Yeah, I want to use. So I want to save this Snowzuka for the Gobbling. That is a really scary Waddle Goons. I'm still gonna do it. I will still do it. Honestly, I'm fine with letting our leader. We just need to kill this guy. As long as Spike is able to kill. Yeah, and I can make the kill. We can make the kill here and heal back the lost HP. Nice. Alright, now I can start hitting this Gobbling for some money. We should be walking out of this fight with pretty good change. I will have to play Junkhead here. I will play Junkhead here to be safe. Yeah, now I can just farm off this. Our goal here is to just try to farm off this Gobbling as much as we can. Is there a way I can... yeah, we're gonna redraw for Snowzuka here and Junk. Because we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time. We can just sit on this Gobbling and hit it with Junk. We have like a solid 4 turns. If only there was a way I can stop my leader from attacking. But that's not possible. Already leaning in my chair to look closer at the screen. We're already in that stage. Hold up. Actually, okay. To optimize this the best, actually, it's better to do this. Because we're just trying to optimize all the money from this Gobbling. We hit the Gobbling once with Junk, and then we kill the Gobbling. And that gets you 2 hits instead of just 1. Then we walk out of the fight with pretty okay money. Or like pretty great money, actually. 94, almost 100. Hell yeah. Excelente. So we're playing ICGM? Sure. Blender Tank, I'm not picking you. Blender Tank, I don't think I'm gonna pick you again anytime soon. I'll take a frost balloon. Or not frost balloon. I'll take a haze balloon because I haven't played it in a while. We'll play Skaven. Skaven is the best out of those options. So when it... Oh, I gotta be mindful of... Nah, it's fine. I want... We get... Here we're trying to optimize for... Yeah, this early game we're just trying to optimize for money. Because with our leader, we're decently strong. You also have a lot of room for error because with ICGM and Haze Balloon, because we have very good ways of tanking damage. We do get hit with a lot of junk here. And I have no way of... And I don't have a way of spending it. Or at least, like, effectively spending it. I'm gonna... you know what? I think I'm just gonna, like, try to farm off this goblin. Because nothing on this field really threatens me. So we're just gonna farm off this goblin. I will get a double kill here. That also reduces the damage Ramona takes. Okay. I want to ink. Okay, we're just trying to hit... We're really just trying to get as much money as we can out of this. Out of this early game as we can. And with how much we've been able to just hit goblins, smack the goblins in the face, it's actually better. It's better to do it like this because you get this does 6 damage to the Strudels, which is quite nice. I'm gonna try to get a double kill here. I'll use this on you, Skaven. My leader can take the 4. Or, my leader can take the 8. Actually, no, I don't even need to let my leader take the 8. I just kill Strudels. Does this apply it to you? It does. Yeah. Because usually, like, on kill effects, when it's killed by a status, it's... The kill goes to whoever who... The kill goes to whoever who applied the stat. Goes to whoever applied the status. Get out of here, bad lady. Damn, we got great money. And if I can visit, like... Alright, no... Yeah, really? A bomb barrel? I don't... So we have a lot of junk generation, but Frenzy Wrench really isn't very good. I wonder, is there a way you can play Blaze Tea? I'm not sure. I don't think there is. And I don't want to take Frenzy Wrench. This is... Yank. Of course it's Yank. Man, I get too many Yanks. Yank Charm is so sad. Molten Dip? Sure. I was thinking of Bomb... For some reason, I was thinking of Bombarder a bit. But I don't think so. Sun Cream... I'm thinking. Frost Hand Charm? That could be okay on Skaven. We'll take it. I'll take the Sun Cream. We might just be, like, relying on Skaven a lot. We really want to find a better way to consume this junk. Now, we do have to be a bit mindful because it does have Aimless. Although it's still playable with Aimless. Nice. Alright, this will kill Infernoco. I can't recall Spike here, which is a problem. So I could play ICG on top. I want to do it like this. I think I do just play ICGM. Oh god, this gobbler is really scary with the... Oh. Oh no, that's awful actually. I need a bomb barrel. I need to use barrel against it. God, I don't really want to lose. No, okay, this turn... I think I just let... I'm just gonna let the porcupine stick around, and we're going to snow this. And I'm gonna get a little snowy with it. Then, this turn, I'm going to activate Skaven. So, I need to be honest about something. I think Spike's gonna die here. I don't think there's any way I can save Spike. Because I can't... If I could recall Spike, I could save him, but I can't. Well... No, I can't. There's no way I can save Spike. Unless I recalled Skaven, which I don't really want to do. I just kind of need to kill... I need to kill this gobbler, or else I'll be in a world of hurt. Yeah, goodbye, Spike. Goodbye, Spike. You will be missed. Move your units like this. I really like hitting... I really like being able to hit Infernoka with Haze Balloon. That's really nice. We should be fine here. We got... Skaven does a lot of damage. Skaven is doing a ton of damage. I don't really want you to weaken me, so I will freeze you. Hey, why don't you hit two guys at once? What the hell, Infernoka? That's not fair. Equal rights, Infernoka. If you hit him twice, you gotta... If you hit both of these lanes, you gotta hit both Minimoko and Frostinger. Equal rights, man. SMH. Can I greet here? I can greet here. Yeah, with Junkhead, I can greet here. Cause I'm able to use Sun Song Box on Ramona, and then nab ourselves a kill. So yeah, I've been watching the Scott Pilgrim show, and like the new Scott Pilgrim show on Netflix, and it's interesting. It's not actually what I was expecting, and I don't really want to talk about why it's not what I was expecting, because that would go into spoilers, which I do not care for. I do not care to spoil it for you. We'll take some Bell of Health here. No, with all the junk we're adding into our deck, we're really never gonna like have time to charge the redraw. Which one of these is better? Removal's really good, but money's also really good. I don't know what line I'm playing. I'm gonna take this top half. We're kind of just playing Skaven hits a little hard. Skaven smacks you on your noggin. Bonk, bonk. Do I want to put this Frost hand charm on anything? Not really. I'm gonna take the crown here. Honestly, if I take the crown, if I'm fine giving Skaven -2, or not -1, which I think I am fine with doing this. Because then we're going to crown Junk and we'll be able to play Sun Cream at the start. Should be fine. I'm going to save our money. Makes the deck a little bit more consistent. We're kind of just playing Skaven attacks, which I don't think is super consistent. Starting off with Molten Dip is really good. Yikes. This is not fun. I don't really want to lose ICGM at the start like this, but I kind of have to. No, I don't have to. I can let Jab Joe tank these bottom 2 hits. It's not. God, we really gonna add so much junk to our deck. We really need to find a good card that can. We really need to find like a Haze Keg or oh god, that's a really okay. I'm going to Bomb Barrel this top lane. Okay, then we kill the Pygmy. Gonna move Ramona down. Yeah, we're just gonna kill the Pygmy. Then we're fine. And I'm gonna get a double kill here on the Goblin and then hit the Goblin. Alright, we're gonna play Junkhead. See, if we can find at least a decent way, a somewhat decent way to spend our junk, we might be okay. It will also be fine if we just find like a really good charm for Skaven. Like a Gnome Charm. Gnome Charm would be great. Aimless Charm. Or, yeah, no, Gnomeless Charm would be great. What else would be really good? Barrage Charm would be really good. I don't want this Porcupine attacking. And I'm gonna I will let Jab Joe deal this damage to me. Because I want to kill this Gawk. I need to redraw this hand. I need to get out of here, man. We've been demonized. Gonna hit this Gawk, set it up to die next turn. We're killing things slowly. Like we're not doing anything fancy, but we're getting the work done. Skaven with his the text. Wait, I suck. No, I don't suck. Even if Muddenhead does attack, my leader has enough health to survive. Yeah, you know what? Muddenhead, I'm not afraid of you. Muddenhead, I'm not afraid of you. Deal? Do your attack. Muddenhead, I'm not afraid. You don't scare me for shit. Get out of here. My leader has too much health. And can heal herself. I think I want Frozen Travelers. I kind of like a Clockwork Bomb here because I feel like we are lacking a bit of damage. So I feel like another way to apply Bomb is good. Yeah, Frozen Travelers. Bomb? Yes. Bomb? Yes. You could also thought about Nom and Stompy there, but do I play Tinkerson Jr. here? We have a ton of junk we're generating. And I can't... Oh, God. Is it actually a Tinkerson Jr. angle? Wait, no. Oh, God. I don't... Oh, no. It's a Tinkerson Jr. angle. Oh, God. Somebody help me. Help me. I'm in trouble. I need to find either... Okay, I should play ICGM here. Our goal here is just to kill Smog. Well, look at this. Would you look at this? This is crazy. Alright, ICGM. It's almost dead, but that's fine. I don't like this Pawpaw at all, but I need to hit this lane with Bomb Barrel. I can just... Okay. No, I'm fine. It's fine. I'm actually gonna... I will play Haze Balloon here. Okay, the Pawpaw's hitting Skaven for 3, which I don't really like, so I'm gonna play this. Oh, shit. Wait, you applied Demonize. That's not good. Alright, let's get Demona out here. What are you hitting, Gromble? You're hitting that. That's... Oh, God, my leader takes 4. Yikes. Not fun. What do I do against Maja, actually? Okay, no, we actually, like, drew perfectly. We hilariously drew perfectly. Alright, dang. Look at... Yo, Tankerson Jr., get in there, buddy. Tankerson Jr., you fucking got this. Hell yeah, Tankerson. That's what I like to see. What I like to see, man. Alright, please freeze this loser here. Ouch, but it's fine. We Clockwork Bomb. Alright, just get to hitting. Get to attacking. And that's a kill. Nice. Yeah, Tankerson did it. Tankerson actually came in, like, was actually, like, pretty decent there. I don't believe it. Tankerson Jr. good? This can't be real. I can't. This simply is not a reality. What am I taking here? I want the money. But what am I duplicating here? Maybe a Snowzuka. I think it's just Snowzuka. Snowzuka. Alright, Squid Skull Charm. Start with Ink. Lumen Goop me. I think I am gonna take this Squid Skull Charm. Can I put this on Junk? No, I can't. What am I putting this on? I think it's just Bomb Bomb. It could also be Tinkerson, but no, I think it's Bomb Bomb. I think Bomb Bomb's the safer pick. We're gonna take a redraw. Or not redraw, we're gonna take the charm. HP charm? I mean, that's just a lot of HP on our leader. Could also be nice to give it. Also, okay, I'm gonna do this. It feels not amazing, but I wanted to try to use that charm for at least something. Hold up, I think I'll be right back. There's somebody at the door. Alright, I have returned. It was just like, parents came home with, food for my Gecko-Lu. Now she is devouring a whole squad of crickets as we speak. And, anyway, who am I giving this to? I don't know. I don't really want to give it to Skaven because I think we could find something better for Skaven. So, I'll hold on to it for now because I don't know who to give it to. Sorry. That was disgusting. It was not really, but would have been better if... Oh, wait. I always love... In this fight, I always love applying Snowzuka to applying just that little bit of bomb on Truffle. We sadly are gonna lose ICGM here, but it's something we have to accept. Alright, keep applying snow to you. Kaboomsk. 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 Yeah, because the great thing about applying... The awesome thing about that one little bit of... Yeah, the awesome thing about that little bit of... I'm gonna do this, actually, because I think this is gonna make this fight easier. Having just everybody with more attack. Whomst dove. Alright, this should be okay, I think. We kill this lane. We kill you. We kill, like, a lot of the problematic enemies. I'm actually going to ink a Truffle here because it's better if they don't split. If one doesn't split. If they don't split here. Because if they split, that just means there's more things I need to account for. More targets I need to squash. Alright, I would love if we were able to keep Bomb Bomb around. For another attack. Okay, now I want this Truffle to split. Just hit it. Yeah, I want the Truffles to actually split now. Because... I'm gonna hit this lane with Bomb Barrel. Tinkerson Jr. gets a kill down here. Okay. So. Gonna move Bomb Bomb up here. Bomb Bomb's gonna go on a rampage. Gets this kill, then Skaven. Yeah, this should be fine. Nice. Now the last thing we have to worry about here is this Gobbler. That's our last obstacle. Recall Tinkerson. Recall Bomb Bomb. We're gonna let all these guys hit. Wait, shit. I shouldn't actually recall Tinkerson. That was a mistake. Now uh-oh. Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna ink this Gobbler. Our leader takes a lot of damage, but we Snowzuka the Gobbler. Victory should be for us soon. We should be able to... Victory should be on our plate here. Yeah, this kills. This gets you the win. Nice. Would have been a bit smoother if I didn't recall Tinkerson, so I would have been able to kill the Truffles. But, I do kind of like Snowball Charm on Skaven. Although, okay, a Sunbelt of Charge is great here, because we have a lot of cards we want to play, so that's really good. Raspberry Charm is also pretty nice on Skaven. Snowball Charm I do really like. I'm gonna do Snowball Charm. I'm a Snowball Charm believer. Injured Champions. God, I've been seeing too many of these. It's the same one I saw last time. I saw Pooty. I also saw Pooty last time. Okay, let's take the Charm. Oh god, I just remembered. Oh no. Demonize Charm. I mean, do I just Do I just make Skaven the status lord? I think I definitely put Demon Eyes on him. Alright, I'm gonna... This is a weird line. This is a weird... It's a strange line. This also feels okay on Bomb Barrel. Because it's just a lot of snow. Alright, Do I? No, I'm gonna play it safe. For this combat, I'm gonna play it safe and put one snow on Skaven. But now, something we really want to try doing is we really want to try getting... We really want to see if we can play Lumen Base on Skaven. It's pretty damn good. I'm gonna redraw this hand immediately. Alright, I'm gonna Molten Dip here. See, the great thing about this combat is... I think I need to kill I want to kill a hog here. The great thing about this combat is that Skaven can freely hit. Skaven can freely hit the Warthogs. Because of the snow I gave him. That's mainly the reason I did give... Alright, also, I'm gonna call in the enemies here. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, God, you got Lumen? Ew, gross. You got fucking Lumen Vase. That's nasty. You got Lumen Ring. Weird. Alright. Yeah, with the bit of snow we have, we are fine. We can hit you for free. You're dead. This hog wants to murder me. I will not allow it to. So I really want to try to just redraw a bunch to see if we can get back to Bomb Barrel. Playing Lumen Base on Skaven is pretty good too. I think I'll do this. Although it is trashing twice, which is a little weird. Oh, nice. Clockwork Bomb got critical. You'll love it. It's awesome. It was awesome. Sadly, it's not actually the best choice for me to... The best choice for me to here is to Snowzuka this Warthog. Yeah, we do really well into Razor. We do very well into Razor. Razor can't do much. Leader will take 6, but that's fine. We apply the critical bomb to Razor. Now he's looking very worse for wear. I need to recall Bomb Bomb. I also cry at this hand. Look at Razor dealing no damage. You do not kill this hog or else you're giving Razor to attack. So be very careful not to kill this hog or else you will die. The Chad ICGM. Nice. Actually, I should have killed this hog to get a little bit more money. My mistake. Alright, give me the woolly snail. With a crown. And then we're gonna roll these charms. Alright, now it's gonna show me barrage. Fucking god. Son of a bitch. That would have gotten so good on Skaven. I didn't even get to finish saying that I was gonna see Pomegranate Charm. God damn it. Sigh. That's what you get for playing it safe. You miss out on the high roll. It's fine on Ramona. It really is fine on Ramona, if I'm being honest. I think I'm gonna put this on Luminar Vase. God, this would have been such an easy win if I put this on. If I could have put Demonize, or no, if I could have put. It's fine. This game it is still very good. I think we should be able to nab a victory here. This is kind of interesting on Clockwork Bomb. I'm gonna put this on Clockwork Bomb. Nothing else. Nothing I really want here. Foggy Brew could be cute. No, I don't think you need it. Anything interesting I see from the treasure here? Tutorial Chrono. Why don't you say so? Alright. Time to a little late for you, Chrono, but I'm glad to have you here. I'm very glad to have you here, bud. We're definitely crowning Chrono now. We absolutely. Yeah, oh God. I can ink this, it's fine. I'll be fine, I can ink it. God, how do I kill this thing, though? Oh my God, you're dealing 9 damage on a 2-turn counter? What the fuck? What the hell? Not cool, man, not cool. Okay. Molten Dip me? I need to apply snow to you. I need to make sure I have you in the lane. Okay. I want to bomb barrel you. Oh my God, what the fuck? Alright, no, we're hitting you with ink, so it's fine. And we're also killing... No, yeah, this is all fine. We ink the leader. We ink the enemy leader. The scary part here is just your teeth. This is on get ICGM out here. Oh wait, shit, you're buff attacking. Okay, that's fine. I need to redraw for ink, I think. I think I ink. Ugh. Or, no, adversely I could just use snow on you this turn, and then our leader can pick up the kill. Oh, wait, this is a little awkward with the plum. I need to I think I need a recall bomb here. Or I could just have no, I think I need a recall bomb here. Cuz I can't I don't want bomb to hit into the spike wall. Or do I actually? Oh my goodness. Okay, next turn I need to snow. Actually, no, I don't need a snow. If I just let Rocco attack first, I don't need to snow. Now, no, if I let Rocco attack first, no, fuck. If I let Skaven attack first, Skaven will die. This is a very awkward turn. I think I should kill Mega Mimic. I think it's this. I think the line here. I could also do this, actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, I could do this instead. This is fine. Damn, that teeth is so annoying. Who thought to give this guy teeth? I want it. I want names. I want names. Okay, thankfully I do not have to worry about Skaven dying here. We're gonna redraw here. Would love to draw a Gear Hammer this turn. I don't. I really should take Tinkerson Jr. out of the deck. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. I'm going to use this on Skaven. We phase shift you, then Skaven is ready to attack whatever comes in. Which is Uba Bear. I mean, I'm not being honest. Uba Bear's a little awkward to spawn there. So we killed both Granks this turn, which is really good. Real good. And I will let... We'll let Skaven kill... We will let Skaven kill this loser here. God, it's just all junk. We're... You know, we recalled... I recalled, what's her face? I recalled Bomb Bomb earlier in this fight. I don't think I'm ever seeing Bomb Bomb again. Bomb Bomb is just drowning in a sea of junk. Hey, look, Bomb Bomb. What? Correct me? Or... What? Color me wrong? What's the... I'm trying to remember the saying. It's like... Correct me I'm wrong? No. Point taken? I don't know. I'm trying... There's this, like... It's a phrase that's on the tip of my tongue that I'm forgetting about. Okay, get ready to think. It's Frost. It's final fight time. It's final fight time. It's final fight night time. I really thank you for letting me redraw this hand. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. This is a great first hand, actually. Because of the yank. The yank is actually so good. I think I want to redraw again. Bombera, Molten Dip, Snowzuka. That's the hand. Oh, that's the hand. Okay. We don't have to worry about you next turn. We kill Frost Junker, which is really good. Damn it, I didn't take Takerson Jr. out of the deck. Fuck. Okay. I don't know, man. This... Not looking amazing. Goodbye, Tinkerson. You will be missed. Not really. I'm gonna play Haze Balloon here. Oh, that's really bad. Oh, that's so bad, actually. Oh, that's terrible. Damn. Can I even win now? I can't. I don't have a way of stopping this Frost Crusher. Okay. Snowzuka, you. Actually, wow, I was just completely neglecting this Frost Lancer, and it could have killed Skaven, and I would have been completely screwed. Wow. My freaking mistake, man. Goodbye, Bomb Bomb. You are missed. Okay. Thankfully, we are able to move. Yeah, right now we are able to move. I have to lose Lubin Base here. Junkhead's too important. Also, I need to take my screenshots. Take my screenshot with the Skaven. I'm also gonna take a screenshot with Ramona here. Scott Skaven versus the world. I'm not titling this video that. That's lame. Would love ink here. Well, this sucks. Skaven has to eat. Skaven has to eat 5 damage here because I can't let Skaven be in the same lane as the damn frost punch as and we also get snowed. Okay, bomb barrel, please. God, this is starting to look bad. Gonna do this. Still have a lot of health on our leader, thankfully. God, I really wish I could have killed Frost Muncher this turn, but I can't. It's like doing that. I lost ink. What am I doing? Fuck. Okay. I can kill Frost Muncher this turn, which I think I should do. Please, I just want to win. I need a win. We need to bring a win home. We desperately need to bring a win home, man. Okay, good. Frost Crusher is dead. We have the HP to tank Frost Lancer. Oh, God, I gotta be careful because I'm lining both of your turn counters up. But it's fine because you're dead. You're just dead. We should win. We win. We win. This build was able to... The big status Skaven was able to do it. Ugh, good. Good. Alright, and just like that, the win streak is reborn. Nice. Feels good to get a win after a lot of losses. Feels great. Perfection. Nice. Glad that we got a cool Skaven, a very neat Skaven run. So, damn, that entire run, I did not see like the good like recycled cards, which is only 2 of them, which is Haze Keg and Snowblower, or Super Snower. Those are the only 2 good ones. Those are like the 2 ones that recycle. Those are the good ones that recycle too. You also have Frenzy Wrench, but we don't talk about Frenzy Wrench. We don't talk about Frenzy Wrench. We do not talk about Frenzy Wrench. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this episode of Wildfrost. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like and or comment and or subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later.